Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss Excel filter function and we will deep dive into multiple criteria. So we are going to filter on the basis of multiple criteria. And also I have given the Excel file link in the description box. So you can download the file and you can practice along with me. So without delay, let's start the video. So let me show you data first. I have created a CTC table. So in that we have a list of companies, job title, location, experience and salary. And the table name is CTC table. Also, I have created here certain criteria. So we will be using all these criteria to filter the data. And here we have another table that is and or condition. So we will use these symbols to filter on the basis of condition. So we will go step by step. So first we will filter data on the basis of company. Okay. So here I will write the formula is equal to filter array. In array we will pass table name, that is CTC table, comma, include. So here we are going to include the condition. So if CTC table company column is equal to this company, okay, so it will filter the data on the basis of company given here. If there is no data as per the given company, then we will pass here some information. If you want to give some custom information, you can give, otherwise you can leave it blank. So here I am giving the custom information, that is no data found, and close the bracket. Once I will hit the enter, it will filter all the records of Tata Consultancy Services. Now you can see here TCS data has been filtered here. So here I have given a drop down list of the company. So you can select any company. On that basis, data will be filtered. So now we have IBM data. If I select Infosys, so we have Infosys data. Now we will move one step further. Let's suppose we need to filter as per the company and as per the job title. Okay. So here we will be using and condition, because we need to check both the condition here. Okay. So for and condition, you can see here, I have written star sign. Okay. Or multiply sign. Now let me show you how to use this. So I will edit this formula. In include section, I will be passing the another criteria. So here I will use star sign, then CTC table, and the column would be job title is equal to this job title, and we will hit the enter. So you can see this is giving value error. So to pass multiple condition, what we have to do additionally, let me show you. We will pass all the condition in bracket. So I will put first condition into the bracket and second condition also into the bracket. Now hit the enter. Okay, so it is showing no data found. That means in Infosys, there is no job title as machine learning data analyst. Let me change the title, change it to data scientist. So we have all these records for Infosys having the job title data scientist. Okay. Now, furthermore, if we have to include one more condition, that is location, what we need to do. So now it is very simple. Again, we will pass here star, we will start the bracket, then we will pass the table name, and the column would be location is equal to this location. Close the bracket. Now hit the enter. Now this data has been filtered on all these three criteria. Okay, if all three criterias are matching, then only this output we are getting. So there is only one record in Pune for Infosys and the job title is data scientist. So you can change it. Like if I check for Hyderabad, only one in Hyderabad, also New Delhi. So in New Delhi we have 2 records. If we check for Bangalore, so for Bangalore we have 3 records. Okay. Now I am going to use OR operator. So let me edit this formula. Let's suppose we want to see company and location. So here I will give plus sign. So this condition is going to filter all the records having Infosys company as well as location is Bangalore. So both the records we will be getting here. Just hit the enter. Now you can see. So these companies we are getting because location is Bangalore. Okay. Now here we are getting the Infosys data for all the locations. Again, we have Bangalore. We have Bangalore. Here also we have Bangalore. Okay. And all this Infosys. So you can change the parameter here and then accordingly you can see the records. Records are changing. Here if I see for Hyderabad, so we have all the TCS data as well as Hyderabad data. Now let's suppose we have to filter on the basis of job title, experience and CTC. So here I will pass the experience 8 years and CTC 20 lakhs. Now I'm going to edit the formula. So first criteria, I will be passing here job title So I will select the job title. I am giving the AND condition for experience. So here I will pass experience. So I need experience greater than 8 years. Now another condition is salary. So here again I will use a start bracket, CTC table. Salary is greater than this CTC. Close the bracket. Hit the enter. So we have all the data scientists having more than 8 years of experience and CTC greater than 20 lakh. Now one scenario we will be using both and or operator. I'm clearing all the things. Now I will be filtering the data on the basis of company or job title, and CTC must be greater than 25 lakhs. Okay, so let me edit this. Okay, so I'm removing all the conditions. So first condition we have company. So here I will type CTC company column is equal to this company. So I will put it into a bracket. Or we have to add data scientist. That means or condition we will use by using plus sign. Start the bracket. CTC table. Column is job title is equal to this job title. Close the bracket. And CTC must be greater than 25 lakhs. Okay. So for AND operator, we will use star. Start the bracket. CTC table. Salary. It should be greater than this salary. Close the bracket. So once you will hit the enter, so let's see what data comes. So you can see we have IBM data scientist and CTC you can see here that is 11 lakh 91,950. But we need data having CTC more than 25 lakh. So you can see many data we have less than 25 lakh CTC. So what is the mistake here? Let me show you. So for OR conditions, we have to give another bracket. So here we will add bracket and we will close this before and. Now this will show all the data of the company and the job title, but the CTC must be greater than 25 lakh. Now hit the enter. Now you can see we have all the data having CTC more than 25 lakh, which also includes company IBM and job title data scientist. So this way you can filter data with multiple conditions. Also you can use AND operator or operator to filter as per your scenario. You can try all these conditions. You can give any combination of condition using AND or operator. So if this video is informative for you, so you can like, you can share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed yet, so you can subscribe my YouTube channel for more upcoming Excel tutorials. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.